Hey everyone, thank you for being here. What we'll be focusing on today is installing the latest ValueText package and doing the general setup. If you don't already have the latest package link, you can find it below this video. You can navigate to the link and click to open it. You're going to navigate to this page and you have to log in the account where you want to set up and install ValueText. Now, we have three options. You can install the package for admins only, all users, or specific profiles. The package installation takes from 5 to 10 minutes. And once you click upgrade, you can literally close this window because Root send you an email once the package has been installed successfully. And then you can log in your account and complete the setup. So let's say that the package has been installed already. You log in, you navigate to the app launcher, and you type ValueText. On the bottom, you would see ValueText Setup. You click there, and the first step that we have to complete is select your country. Now, would you like to send messages to more than one country? If yes, click here. If no, here, and then you select the country to which you want to send a message. Now, I assume you don't already have an account, so you have to sign up. You add your full name, email address, and your country. You click register, and our system is going to send you an OTP to the email that you've provided here. You add the OTP code, and then you set your password. That's it. Then you have to sign in. Here, you add your account details, and you sign in. Once this is done, you have to set up your channel routing default settings. Which channel would you like to use to send messages? Now, you can use only SMS, WhatsApp, or both. I would go and set this up for SMS. The process is the same for both. Once you select your channel, you can enable all to receive inbound messages. Now, I just open another window, we click allow, and I think we have to log in, and that's it, if I'm not mistaken. Perfect. Now, let's finish this. All right, that's it, literally, that's it. Here, this video is showing you how to add the mini chat console to any object inside of Salesforce, but I'll actually go and do this for you right now. Wait 1 second, we need to log in again because of the complete setup. So, as I mentioned, you can do this from any object. Leads, opportunities, account, custom object, any object is supported. Now, I just need to create a contact. Perfect. So here, we would go to edit page, and then we have to search for the chat window. And you can drag and drop this anywhere. So, chat. Let's see custom here. And you drag and drop this. So I'll drop it here. All right. Okay, let's make sure we see it. And now, save. So that's it. And now when we go back, you're going to see the mini chat console added there. So just a second, it's going to load. Yep. And that's it. And you just go and type message.